Let's dive into Instagram. Instagram is a very visual and aesthetic platform. It allows links only in the bio of the profile and stories. The good news is that you can still see decent organic reach on Instagram. Plus, you can acquire new followers using relevant hashtags. And it's the most amazing platform for partnerships and influencer marketing. It is so easy to promote your products using the communities of relevant influencers. The algorithm ranking signals on Instagram are all about the engagement and participation of your audience. You want your audience to watch, tap, like, comment, share, and engage with your post. Your main goal is to get your community to engage rather than simply broadcasting your message with no further interactions. In terms of frequency, the bare minimum is once a week. The majority of brands are posting 3 times a week, and the optimal is once or twice a day, depending on your objective and audience. Stories can be posted more frequently based on the content that you have available. Instagram is a content-rich platform where you can post static images, carousels, and videos. With Reels and IGTV, Instagram opened up to longer-form videos. If you want to be successful and grow on Instagram, you need to use trending features like Reels, Lives, and IGTV. Search engine optimization or SEO is a big topic on Instagram as social media is becoming search-friendly. More and more people are searching for content related to their interests using Instagram hashtags. So use category and interest hashtags in your bio, embed your own brand as a hashtag in your post, and create branded hashtags that you would like your audience to use. Let's analyze this Instagram post from Trini London. The post has 2 elements, caption and creative. Please note that on Instagram, the creative comes first and is followed by the caption. The caption contains an emoji. The call to action is either to access the shop from the post or from tapping the link in the bio. Please note that Trini London don't use hashtags, which tends to be a mature brand move. The best practice is to use hashtags at the beginning of your social media journey. From a creative standpoint, the post uses a vertical rather than square static image, occupying lots of feed space and being very visible. Instagram allows you to post in different formats, but the images will be cropped into squares in the main profile grid. This post also has the shop functionality embedded.